Hi guys, this session we are going to see how to download Node.js and install on Windows 10 operating systems. For downloading, if you see, this is the default URL of Node.js, nodejs.org/en. En is nothing but English. So here if you see, there are two versions currently available. One is 12.16.1, that is LTS. LTS means long term supports, and 13.12.0 is the current, means this 13 version is current. Currently they have created a 13 version. So if you see the difference of LTS, or you can say what is the meaning of LTS is, suppose you are creating a version of any software, and after that you are providing update and patches, that is a minor changes for that software. So that comes under the this dot 16 or 1. These are the minor changes, and they are what they are doing. This 12 version, they are suggesting that this is suitable version for each and every types of development. So that's why they are giving its LTS, or you can say that they are providing some more functionality slowly to the same versions, and they will provide support for this version till some times. So that's why they are saying that this is a LTS version, and it is also working perfectly and compatible with each and every operating system and everything. So that's why I will suggest that go to the LTS version. So I will download LTS version. Here if you go to the /en/download, so you will get to this page. Now based on your operating system you will download, so Windows, Mac and source code. Then we are going to download this Windows, or if you have some other operating system bit like 32-bit, so you can go to the 32-bit, but my operating system is 64-bit, so I am going to download this default. So it will store in the same location. So what I will do, I will store in the download location. It will complete based on your internet connectivity. Download has been completed, so I will go to the directory. Here you can see, I will double click this. So it will ask for whether you want to run this or not, because this is a binary file. So I will click yes, and then here you will get next. So next, accept the terms and condition, then next. This is the default location of Node.js, I will keep the default. Next, here runtime, then package manager, online documentation, and here you will see this is add to path. So it's very important. You should not exclude this. If you exclude this, then it will show the cancel cross. But I will install this later on. When you will going depth into this, then you come to know the use of this add to path. And then next, if you want this, you can select automatically install the necessary tools. I will leave this. Next, and then click the install. It is asking for permission, so this window will not be shown in the video, but you have to click the yes. The installation has been finished. So thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can ask me.